friends, this question from September 25th end term afternoon question paper. So this question is related to mutation testing. Consider the following code segment, that is the ground string and the mutant. So there are two statements, right? So int x equal to x %2, this is the ground string, and int x equal to x slash 2, that is this is the mutant. And the question is, which of the following type of mutation operators? So this one is important, friends. So which of the following type of mutation operators can be applied to the ground string? So that is, so you are this is the ground string. For example, this is the ground string. So you applying the mutation operators here. This is the mutation operators. If you apply the mutation operator, mutation means if you apply any operator, it changes, right? Mutation means changes, and can be applied to the ground string to obtain the mutant one, and the result is mutant one. So in the question, this was is given, right? So this is int x equals to x %2. So that is ground string, and the result also given in the question, that is the result is x equals to x slash 2. Result is also given. So but what they are asking, which mutation operators? They are asking what are the mutation operators. So there are 4 options in the question. In mutation testing, there are two types of operators. So two types of mutation operators. So one is program level and the another one is software level. And this is the program level. Software level is integration testing. Software level means entire program, right? So in program means, so software is a collection of codes. So many programs are there inside the complete software. So many programs are there. That is the entire means integration means sum of the all the programs. That is software level. So the program level is means related to only one program. That program only. That is it is under unit testing. This one is unit testing. This one is integration. So all are program level mutation operators, right? This answer we will check the correct one, and rest of the we will learn in the answer is arithmetic operator replacement. So what is this arithmetic operator replacement operator? That is ARI, arithmetic operator replacement. So arithmetic operator replacement mutation operator. What are the arithmetic operators? So plus, minus, star, that is multiplication and division, and double star means power, right? Power and percentage means remainder, right? So all these are, you can remember 6 arithmetic operators. So these are 6 arithmetic operators. Replacement means, so all these are replaced by each of other operators. each of other operators. If you remember these 6 operators, 6 plus 3 also there, left 3, so total 9 operators. These operators replaced by each of the other operators. So that means in the question, this is the ground string, right? X percent 2. So the given question is ground string is x percent 2. So percentage 2, it is in arithmetic operators, right? So percentage in arithmetic operators, so this one. So this is replaced by, so this percentage is replaced by each of the other operators. What are the other operators? This one, right? Other operators. So that means, so x percent 2 is replaced by x, first this one, x plus 2, and next it is replaced by minus x minus 2 and star, that is x star 2, and slash x slash 2, and this power x double star 2, that is x square. So this one we are replacing, so no need this one, right? So each of this operator is replaced by the other operators. These are the answers. So what are these? These are the mutations. These are the mutations. Mutations means they are changed, right? From percent 2 to they are changed. These are called mutants. Mutants. Changed ground string means, so what is this ground string? Is a grammar, valid grammar strings. So valid grammar strings. So grammar strings. So what is this? Or a program also. Ground string is a program. Valid grammar string means sentences, right? Sentences. Valid sentences. Sentences, program, or complete software also. All these are comes under the ground strings. If we apply this mutation operator, arithmetic operator replacement, so that is we are applying this operator replacement operator on the ground string x percent 2, the mutant one. So not change string, mutant one is x slash 2, right? So x slash 2 here. So this is the correct answer. Rest all are wrong. So all are different. We will see in the next questions. Okay, this is the arithmetic operator replacement. So this only you have to remember, now this 6, no, you have to remember other 3 also. So for example, a plus b, this is the ground string. This is the ground string. So in this ground string, what is a? Is left op. Left op means left operand. So b means right operand. Right operand. So what is this left op returns means? Left op, it returns only left operand, that is a only. A only. It returns a only. In the right op returns only b. B only. Okay. So what are these? Plus, minus, star, slash, double star, and percentage, plus next these 2 also. These are binary operators. Right op and mod. Mod operator, it gives the remainder, right? You have to remember this 6 for the arithmetical operators. Main are these 6 only. So for example, plus 3. Okay. So mod is also, it returns the remainder. Remainder. Here I write a plus b equals to 13. So original the ground string evaluates to 13, right? A equal to 10, B equal to 3, 13. Original the ground string, so it evaluates to 13. If we apply the arithmetic operator replacement AOR by left off, if we use this one, what it returns? Mutant evaluates to A only, that is left off is it A only, right? 10. And if we use right op, it evaluates to mutant 3. And if we use mod, and the mutant evaluates to 10 divided by 3, right? Remainder, that is 1. Remainder, so remainder 1. So these are the 6 plus 3 in total 9 arithmetic replacement operators. The percentage and mod operator both are similar, right? Modulus, percentage, both are same. So consider only 8. But in lecture also they mentioned percentage and mod are different. Answer is, you can check in this list and answer according to that option you can select. Friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.